close call in the skies today. A bird collided with a packed United Airlines jet which was flying into Denver, and the bird punctured the front of the plane, creating a gaping hole near the nose. Fortunately, the flight landed safely. No one was injured, but as ABC's Clayton Sandell reports, bird strikes are a growing threat.
It could have been catastrophic, a feathery mid-air collision. This United 737 with 151 passengers on approach to Denver International Airport today when it collided with what appears to be a large bird. The impact tore a giant diamond-shaped hole in the nose, even ripping off flight sensors. There were no injuries, but the pilots declared an emergency. In April, another bird strike was captured on camera. A passenger on a flight from New York to Los Angeles saw a flock of birds fly right into an engine. And of course, who could forget when Canada geese brought down Sully Sullenberger's U.S. air flight into the Hudson River?